Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny, or that makes me a bunny and that makes you Kendra. Either way, welcome back to Kendra and the Bunny's channel. I am so happy to have you here. Today we have an unboxing and a clothing haul from VOGLIA Swimwear.
Here we go again. Try my luck at this hand.
And we today are checking out their new line, the Tropic Like It's Hot. Go, go, go. It's summertime and we do want a tropic like it's hot. In fact, I'm gonna work out in this outfit. I'm going to run errands in this outfit. You can travel in this outfit. You can relax in the sun. There's so much to do and it's a really fun color. So before we get into that, I wanted to show you a few different things that I have by VOGLIA Swimwear. This is from their swimsuit line. This is made from recycled materials. It is buttery soft. So soft, and it has this gorgeous tie in the front that I absolutely love. And then it also has this gorgeous tie in the back. So I've worn this with the skirt as a shirt, and I've also worn this to the pool as a swimsuit. It is so wonderful. It's full coverage, and it's really something special. It's got like this galaxy kind of Milky Way print. So beautiful. And this one is made from recycled materials. And this is their twist tie top at the front. I partnered with them on doing a giveaway for this shirt as well. And we were able to give away one of these shirts to a really, really awesome fan and follower of mine. And it twists at the bottom, so it's got a little bit of a crop feel, but it is also full coverage. This is so gorgeous. I love this line as well. It's got butterflies and flowers and stuff. So today, let's get into our new unboxing. So again, the brand is VOGLIA Swimwear. And the charity that they like to benefit is Make-A-Wish. I linked below where you can check out that charity, and I also linked their website where you can check out these items as well as what they are about. So let's get into it and then let's try it on. Okay, I love these branded bags that these come in. Okay, I got I love this. I love leopard, but this is like electric blue leopard. This is their BlueHue Tropic Like It's Hot sports bra. And as you can see, it's buttery soft. It's double lined. It's got this beautiful blue gradient green BlueHue color. And these are said to fit true to size. And then here are the capri bottoms. Makes me want to go to Capri, Greece. These are so buttery smooth. These are handmade, handcrafted, and this set has the leopard look to it. So pretty. This is the Tropic Like It's Hot BlueHue edition, and these are short capris. So let me put them on and blow your mind. As the matching top with the capri bottoms, they fit true to size, they're buttery soft, and the bra is double layered. And the leggings are thick enough to wear while you work out. Let me show you the full set. So as you can see, they do pass the squat test. They are full coverage. You can roll them down, you can wear them high-waisted, and they come just right below the knee. I am 5'7" myself, and I got a medium in the bottoms and a medium in the top. And these are just so excellent. So I think this summer I will definitely be tropicaling like it's hot. I will definitely be tropicaling like it's hot in my Tropic Like It's Hot outfit by VOGLIA. You can also save 10% by using my code BUNNY. Again, my code is BUNNY, and you will save 10% on your entire order. I linked below where you can pick some up. You can also save on the swimsuit and their clothing items with the code BUNNY. And their items for these swimsuits, at least for this one, is reversible. So you can also flip it inside out and wear it on its lavender side. Peace.